To make the Barbie hair treatment, we're going to be using coconut milk, preferably one that is natural and doesn't contain added sugar. I'm going to be using this brand of coconut milk. Next, we're going to be adding aloe vera. I let my aloe vera sit overnight in water so that it released all the gunk out. I got all the aloe vera gel out of one stem of aloe vera and pour it into my coconut milk. I'm going to mix both ingredients together, and I'm going to be using my NutriBullet to mix everything. Once everything gets mixed, this is how it looks, and I'm going to go ahead and pour it back. And I'm also going to be adding about 1 teaspoon of vitamin E. You can also use other oils such as jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, or coconut oil. I prefer to use vitamin E. To get the Barbie pink color, I'm going to be using 2 drops of the Wilton Brights food coloring in pink into my mix, and I just need about 1 or 2 drops of this. It's very, very bright. You can mix by hand, but it's going to take way longer, so I'm going to go ahead and pour my ingredients back into my NutriBullet and mix everything together. This is how it looks when everything is nice and blended together. This mixture is good for up to 1 week, and you do need to store it in the fridge. You can apply this treatment as a leave-in treatment, or you can let it sit for about 30 minutes and rinse it off. I prefer to use this as a leave-in treatment. It leaves my hair smooth and healthy. It does not leave like a sticky feeling at all. It leaves a nice smooth finish to it. Well friends, this is all for today. If you want to learn how to grow your hair, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you more tips and tricks on how you can successfully grow your hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!